Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with FactSet Financial Data Review My Usage Experience. FactSet Financial Data Review My Usage Experience offers comprehensive financial data analysis and reporting tools for professionals in finance, investment management, and related fields. Its main purpose is to provide access to a vast array of market data, enabling users to perform detailed analysis, create reports, and make informed investment decisions. Key features likely include real-time data feeds, advanced charting tools, and customizable reporting functionalities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. It's positioned as a high-end professional tool, focusing on accuracy, breadth of data, and sophisticated analytical capabilities. Pricing is likely subscription-based, and while specific details aren't publicly available without an account, it's targeted towards businesses and professionals who require this level of financial information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using FactSet Financial Data Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After creating an account, which involved a quick verification process, I was guided through a brief tutorial. The interface, while initially overwhelming due to its sheer number of features, was well organized and logically structured. I used the service to analyze the performance of several tech stocks over the past 5 years, using their charting tools and data filtering options. The data was readily accessible, the charts were easy to customize and export, and the entire process was impressively fast. The quality of the data itself was excellent, it matched what I found on other reliable sources. I had a quick question about a specific data point and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was great. One minor drawback was the steep learning curve. It took me a few days to become fully proficient with all the advanced functionalities. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable report generation. I could create exactly the reports I needed, which was a huge time saver. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with FactSet Financial Data Review. While it has a few quirks, and the price point is undoubtedly high, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of data quality and analytical power. That's my overview of FactSet Financial Data Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.